On 31st January 2023, the NPP candidate from East Shillong constituency, Ampreen Lyngdoh, and her sibling, the party's candidate from Nong Thamai, Jasmine Lyngdoh, had filed their nominations to the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections scheduled for the 27th of February 2023. Both candidates were accompanied by family members and a host of supporters.
To fill the seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. It has always been the tradition of my family since my father, late Pak Peter G. Marbanyang, my late brother Pak Archie Lyngdoh, to always file in the first hour, the first day. In order to keep up that tradition, we have come to file our nominations today. I will not use the word anti-incumbency because I feel that because I have won 4 previous elections and I have served my people, there is a high probability that my support will now expand and will reach more people. My principle always as a legislator is to ensure that we involve grassroots in all decisions taken, involve the people, listen to what they say, sort them out, build policies, prepare plans and programs, address infrastructure, address everything else as per the needs of the people as I visit them in their homes. So this connection has improved over the years, and I'm very grateful, and I do not perceive that there will be an incumbent factor on me. I do not think that the matter before the district and session courts will have any impact on my election. That is a matter that has already been discussed and talked about. What we're doing now is we're going before the courts. I have full faith in the judiciary system of this country, and until such time I am innocent of any wrongdoing, that will not affect my election because my people know that I am confident of no wrongdoing.
Kadaitang hakibriw ni bakin suku makapisa kadaitang sisni tamba kajing tre shitom bagi program strekam kinlong namenta syata jingim tingabu hakibriw umno bakin jet ya kata bat bakin dai ban syapen bet namar ba ndakila shim ya kita kicing ai let's say dah kacing mau kacing duk kejoki kapenlong ya ki bede bakin dalej kita ki MLM don bas ngap syu kan je ki kita ban start karukom bakin dapot mentakti kita ban perkhat hang ngan shimi kita ki ai ki ba tang si sini ne ngan pet no ya kita ki development ki ban wan serta jing im ya ki kun ki ti kalau we jung ki kun jungi ka syong ha ki development stay beli wan la ka syong hingga pa dia ki nok syong Shillong jong Nong Thamai bakin yo i bahaya kani kacing pangkala ladam don kam la bisa bantir kita kibur judon bala bantir bur kadai ka karai ke jongki kadai ka hok ke jongki mat kadai ru ka jingkerman ke jongki na tarai kita ban suku bahaya